Hey you guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. Today I'm going to show you how to make a gel. So if you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. The things you're going to need is Zectum gum, aloe vera, glycerin, a jar, 1 table measuring spoon, and that's about it. So, and also your favorite oil. I'm sorry, I forgot to add that. That's my DIY oil. I do have a video made on how I make that oil, but what you're going to need is 1 tablespoon of Zectum gum and 1 tablespoon of glycerin. You're going to need to allow the Zectum gum and the glycerin to sit for about 30 minutes. You don't want to pour your liquid right onto dry Zectum gum. That's how you will get a clumpy consistency. I did use 2 cups of aloe vera juice, and you guys, I probably should have used 4 cups of aloe vera juice because it was very concentrated, but you can make this solution as thick or as like watery down as much as you like. Like if your hair like thick products, then make it a little bit more thicker. I would just probably use a little less Zectum gum so that you don't get flakes. But the flakes is very easy to fix. Just spray a little water on it and then let your hair dry and the flaking will stop. I wouldn't necessarily consider this to be a great wash and grow gel, but if you want like a gel to slick your bun down and you know it's not going to be down on your clothes, or you know your hair is not going to be manipulated that much, that would also help with the flakes. But if you are not wanting to get a poisonous gel at the store, this is a really easy way to make homemade gel. I should have a video on how I make this gel down below. I actually use this on my son's hair, and his hair really likes it. I use it in a wash and go, so that's how come I'm telling you guys. I know if your hair is a lot longer than my son's hair, then it rubbing against your clothes will probably cause flakes down at the bottom. So just avoid that. Just add more water to it pretty much so that it's not so concentrated. So what I'm doing here is adding the aloe vera juice into the mixture of the Zectum gum and the glycerin, and it's going to get thicker. And at this point you can add more liquid, which you can use aloe vera gel or you can use water, your choice. And at this point it's ready to use. This has no preservative in it, so you will need to preserve this in the refrigerator. I do get a emulsifier blender to help smooth out the gel because the spoon was not cutting it. So please have an emulsifier blender or maybe just a hand mixer. That would also help with mixing the products well together. So if you guys give this recipe a try, please give me a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments section.